Alright, try it. Nothing. Nothing at all.
Do it again?
Yeah, try it again. Okay. That's not good.
Railroad tracks. It's taking them to the tracks.
Yeah, I'm trying to record.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
What's up, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're getting back on the Chevy Cobalt. The reason it's not starting is because the starter's not actually engaging on its own. So we're gonna put a new starter in it and go from there. Lizard went inside the Colt. Yeah, little lizard. Buddy, you in a bad spot. Escape, lizard. Get free. Alright, so it looks like we're going to have to remove this entire intake manifold in order to get to that top starter bolt. So we're going to start taking this off. These are 10mm bolts as well. It's a total of 7 bolts that hold this on. Alright, so if you're having trouble with the this brake booster line here, these tabs pinch in and you pull up and you can pull a hose out. But to be honest, I'm just going to hang them right there because he's really not in my way. This is going to be a 13mm nut right here. Make sure you disconnect your battery before messing with this cable also. You might not like what happens if you don't. Should be 8mm. Yes. It's an 8mm nut for your ground wire. I got the car in jack stands now because there's one 15mm bolt at the bottom of the starter that you'll have to remove. Now starter should be ready to come out. Alright, so I have my new starter here. I just grabbed one off of rockauto.com. But I'll go ahead and show you. See how this shaft kind of came apart. Can't move the new one at all. So that's the problem with this starter. So it's junk now. Of course, I always compare your old to your new. Make sure you have the right one. So I'm not going to film reinstalling the starter because obviously you're just going to install it in reverse order that you just took it out. So it's pretty self-explanatory. So I'm going to get the starter installed and then we're going to try to spin it over and see if we can get the fire up. I'm definitely getting spark on one of this guy here. I'm only getting spark on one cylinder. I wonder if this ignition, if this control module is bad.